Our topic is that bees are disappearing. It is of interest because people claim that if bees go extinct, humans will be next. Albert Einstein, a genius scientist, stated that if the bee disappeared from the from the surface of the globe, then man will only have 4 years of life left. Bees are responsible for 70% of fruits and vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Bees are very important for the agriculture economy. Since beekeepers transport bees to orchards and farms to pollinate crops, food chains will be affected if bees disappear. For example, bees are responsible for pollinating almond plants. The hulls of the nuts are used to feed hulls of the almond nuts are used to feed cattle and chicken. So if bees disappear, that means fewer almonds, which will mean less livestock, which will then cause less cheese, eggs, and milk to be produced. Bees are also responsible for pollinating coffee. Bees are responsible for $15 billion of the U.S. economy, and without them, our economy will plummet. Since they are also in charge of so much food production, without them, people would starve.
Since 2006, bees have been disappearing in rapid rates. Colony collapse disorder has seen an average 1/3 of commercial bees abandoning their hives. Some beekeepers reported 90% of their bees have simply left. In some colonies, mites, viruses, and parasites have killed bees. However, a class of insecticides called neonicotinoids have killed bees in higher rates. Neonicotinoids are used to kill crop-eating pests but affect bees' central nervous system when they consume contaminated nectar. When nectar is brought back to the hive, it affects the whole colony. Another deadly bee killer is Varroa destructor, a parasite mite that latches on to the honeybee, then it infects the whole hive while feeding on the offspring of the colony. Then finally, colony collapse disorder hits the hive and it's destroyed. The only controversy presented is bees are disappearing at a rapid rate. The way things are headed, scientists are trying to avoid using insecticides with neonicotinoids and substituting it with EC solution that is good for the bees' health because it dissolves into the environment.